Hello everybody, thank you for joining us this fine day. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a hand with curled fingers, so something like that. If you have the pencils all set, we will draw. So we'll begin with a line like that, and then we will basically put in the like a flat or reverse shovel space, and then let's put in an oval, nice big oval right here. 1, 2, and as you may have guessed, that is the thumb, or it will be the thumb, and then we go just that much apart with a line on arc coming downward like that. And let's make that round here. And let's have a wrist going right there. So I drew the line initially like that, but I went with the wrist in that direction. It could have gone in this direction, but in that case it would have been more toward that. I've just chosen to go this way. And then here we're going to put in 3 sets of lines there at that angle, then 2, and 3 sets of lines like that. 3 close enough together and just so much apart again. So we're drawing that shape, and then the 4th one is going in somewhere there. So it's like hooks, but that hook's stretched out. So we will start off with the index finger right there. So 1, 2, and 3. Now we're not showing the outside of the hand here, so it's all the angle that it's. If you just do that, show all the lines going across, it will automatically show that it's from that particular angle and not from the outside, from the edge of the hand. So according to this, we put down the middle finger. So start off with this 1 and 2. So set of ovals again, and then you could just do that to get that going and make that more bulky, or according to the hand that you are modeling. Again, 1, 2, and 3. So, and then we can straighten this out. Of course, some of it is hidden behind that finger, the middle finger, and we keep going. So the last finger, the smallest one, so 1, 2, at that angle, has to be visibly smaller than the other fingers, and as long as you have that, you are off to the races. And then I'm putting in nails right there, and then of course I forgot the all-important thumb all by itself right there. And I just go somewhat like that, and there I'll just come in, put in some line work around the wrist. Make that a little thinner. So I'm cutting in here, going like that. So you got something going there. And of course you can round it up with as many details from this point on as you wish. But that is the basic sketch. And if I were to have a light source, let's say the tones that I would use with the same pencil would be along this line. Make sure that all of the shades or whatnot that you're putting in coincide with the light source, and just put in enough shadows or tones to make it more presentable. Now this is of course a rough and quick sketch, but if you just do a little bit of exercise before you begin. It's cut off there, by the way. And for a quick sketch, we are actually done. So that is the concept behind putting down the hand in that position. Do Google lots of images and have fun drawing this. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Would love to have your comments as well. Have yourself a wonderful day.